obviously, man's out here with Nova. Yeah. Nobody really knows. Like and subscribe, innit? Yeah? Yeah, like and subscribe. I said it, like and subscribe. You said it, so you gotta do it.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nova, and I'm back with another unboxing video. I know it's been a while. I've been busy, you know. What can I say? I've been busy, but I promise you, from this video after, regular uploads. Promise you. Okay, cool. What's going on, everyone? So, as you can see, this isn't my size. This is my box, but it's not my size. Stupid app didn't want to let me check out. So yeah, we settled for this in the end. But as you can see here, I have got the Yeezy, or Adidas Yeezy 450 colourway. This is a UK free. Base size. Ain't got a bay. So yo, listen, anyone trying to swap, you know, for a 9, an 8.5, hit me up. The gram will be here. Oh, I need a pen. So without further ado, let's go in and get this unboxing started. Oh, oh these are so
wow. And you gotta be.
No way, these are so adorable. Let's put that one there for a second. Yeah? No. No, Mom, I won't. This is the Yeezy 450. No boost sole. I can't even tell. It's not adiprene, the sole. It's just a really spongy type of sole. Flip under. Okay, so.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
As you can see, this is the shoe. It comes with the 2 tags there from Adidas, naturally. Uses. Okay, so the sole, I believe it's the same sole as the 500. Well, the insole, anyways. This almost webbed foam type material wrapped around the prime knit upper, which is quite roomy, quite breathable, quite expandable. So it looks like it's almost like a fly knit kind of feeling, like with the rest of the Yeezys as well. You know, it's always gonna expand and stretch a little bit. Obviously, you can see the new lace system there, without any other laces. So this is the only lace system you get. I've already envisioned in my head how I would style them. So that's why I want a pair. But I think they're pretty cool, all in all. I'm not gonna make this a super long video because, you know, I'm just showing you guys the crap, you know, showcasing it. But these are really cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm gonna phase it to, you know, just into like some nice in-hand shots sort of thing. Some up-close personal details of the shoe. But from what I can see, obviously retail for these was 100 kid size. I can't remember what the infants was, the infant / toddler, but the adults was 180. They are flipping now for about 260 up to about 350 depending on the size, naturally. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the insole. That is the insole. That's how it looks. Adi Fit insole there. Orthodox Yeezy Adidas. Very soft, very small, very thin. Let's say it says here to flip underneath. Oh yeah, so this was the first shoe produced from Yeezy in Germany as well. Fun note. But originally dubbed the 451 or the 451. Changed over the 2 years span since we'd first seen it in leaks. And now we have this. So yeah, obviously guys, let me know what you think. Hot or not, rock or stock, drop or cop. Coming up with these bars. Alright, let me try. So listen, 450. I got the new Yeezy. Oh, feeling so fly. I'm like Chris Breezy. These on my feet, they don't even fit me. So guys, leave a like, a comment. Yeah, so yeah, like, comment. What's the last one? Share the video. Make sure you subscribe for more, obviously. And that will be me, guys. Obviously, I'll catch you real soon. I don't know. I'll catch you real soon. And this has been the Yeezy 450 or 450. Boom.
Boss up on these niggas, boss up on these niggas, boss up on these niggas.